In the quiet of the night, I lay my head to rest, dreaming of the world where I'll make my mark, I guess. I'll build a house with bricks and plant a garden wide, with flowers that bloom and trees that touch the sky.
Hello everyone, Mayank here again. So I'm back with another cool project. Up until now, we have talked about videos, we have talked about images. Now it's time to talk about sounds. That is music. As the name of the video suggests, we are going to walk through a project that I've created, which I'm calling Ace Music Studio, and that generates music. You might have seen in my previous videos that I created a song out of pure imagination. So that song was a result of one of the prototypes I built around this same LLM model. So let's dig in. So the org that created the music model is Ace Music. So what we are going to use is Ace Step 1.5 XL SFT. That's the accurate name. So it's a close to 19 GB model if you talk about BF16. And I will explain in an explanatory video what BF16 and FP8 quantization and FP4 quantization means. This is the project. So I will share all the links in the description. So we can clearly see there are several modes here: generate, cover, extend, edit, and lyrics. So lyrics is just for the sake of convenience because lyrics uses a basic Quen model to generate lyrics. It's just a basic text LLM. You can use lyrics from ChatGPT, Claude, or any LLM of your choice. But yeah, I just gave it for convenience. So right now, let's start with that. So the idea is to use a kid singing a song about what he will do when he grows up. Just a basic idea, draft lyrics. Okay, we have the lyrics and it gives us in a proper structure intro, that these two lines are intro, this is verse 1, verse 2, this is chorus, then we have outro as well, and a bridge in the middle as well. So this all looks good, and using this button, use this in generate. I click this, and on the generate tab, all the lyrics that I just generated are auto populated. So I can write any prompt here. For this, I've already created it here. Boy voice, kid voice, middle school boy singing with wonder mood. Mood full of hope and possibilities, male voice, breathy, vibrato. So these are just basic prompts that how should the song feel like, what should be the overall vibe, what should be the voice, should it be male, female, and if male, then what kind of male, like a high pitched, low pitched, things like that. And A step, I have to be honest, A step is not the best model when it comes to prompt adherence. So that's why I gave an option to write negative prompt here as well. So I have written no autotune because a lot of times the vocals sound as very robotic, very autotune-ish. So no autotune, robotic voice. I guess this is wrong. It should be just autotune, robotic voice, vocoder, metallic, hyperquantized, rigid timing, grid, blah 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 blah. All right, and hit generate. Let's hear it.
In the quiet of the night, I lay my head to rest, dreaming of the world where I'll make my mark, I guess. I'll build a house with bricks and plant a garden wide, with flowers that bloom and trees that touch the sky. I'll teach the world to love and show them how to care. With every step I'll make a better place, I swear. When I grow up, I'll be a hero, that's for sure. With a heart full of love and a spirit that's pure, I'll make a difference in the world I'll create. When I grow up, I'll be the one to make it great. I'm going to get great. I'll write a song with words that touch the soul.
Pretty cool song for the first try, right? So, few things here. All this is fine. This is pretty straightforward, right? And if I just collapse everything, it's just this much. The default music window, the generate music is this, right? This is pretty simple. Just put down your lyrics, uh, tell your style prompt, and hit generate. But when you need a little bit fine tuning for the best quality of the song possible with the same model, you need to make some tweaks. So here, I have LoRa adapter again that we can plug, which I will show you in a bit. And in advanced, we have a lot of settings, inference steps. All the explanation for what each parameter does is in just below the parameter name. You can check it out yourself because it takes some kind of hit and trial to get what you want. And few things are, again, just like the any LLM model, we have seed here. But the issue in this seed is previously in all the models that we have talked about, may it be image generation, may it be video generation, seed number decided the randomness of the model. But in this case, randomness is decided by many parameters. I'll show you. So key scale, time signature, vocal language, beats per minute. Even beats per minute is here. These few settings are auto, like they are random. So LLM picks up whatever it thinks that is the best for our use case. So to truly reproduce the song with the same parameters, you need to tweak out, you need to lock down on the parameters here, right? So that's the only caveat with this model, but otherwise it's good. All right, so I'll just download this song. Let's go to cover. Okay, I already have it populated here, so let me just upload the song that I just downloaded.
In the quiet of
Okay, and I want to restyle it. Okay, I just wrote melancholic, and sorry. So few more features for generate tab, which are common for cover and extend as well. That is separate stems, normalize, and so this is just the download button for MP3 file. Okay, so what is separate stems? So when we talk about stems, these are these different fragments of the music that make up the whole song. So for example, in this song, we have drums, we have vocals, we have synthesizer, and many such things. So let's see what separate stem does. Okay, we got it. So I'll just download them all. We have 4 files. So I will just show you. So you can see this is vocals, this is others, which is like just like all the other fragments of the song. This is bass, this is drums. Okay, I'll just play it one by one just to show you guys what it does and what it means. Let's go for bass first. A little bit of bass fragment, but not a lot. Let's go for drums. Okay, let's go for others. This is basically guitar, but if there was a synthesizer or any other instrument, it would have come under other stem. Let's go for vocals now.
in the quiet of the night, I lay my head to rest, dreaming of the world where I'll make my mark, I guess.
So you get the idea now. So this is a pretty good feature if you want to generate a song, but also want to use it in other ways. So for example, just isolate the vocals, merge all of the fragments, and now you have a perfect song for a karaoke night maybe. And then you have this option which is normalized to -14 LUFS. -14 LUFS is the standard audio amplitude. So this measures the loudness of the song or the audio. -14 LUFS is the standard for Spotify, YouTube, and any other streaming platform. Let's hear how it sounds, or if it sounds any different from the original audio generated.
In the quiet of the night, I lay my head to rest. In the quiet of the night.
It's near about the same, but yeah, there can be differences because it's an LLM and it can output any kind of amplitude. It will not vary a lot, but yeah, it can vary and might not be minus 14 LUFS standard. Okay, this covers up the demo for generate tab, and let's go for cover. I already loaded the audio here. I have selected prompt style as melancholic. That okay. I want to create a cover out of it. I want to restyle it. And these are the new lyrics. All right. And let's hit generate. Okay, let's hear it out.
I'll write a song with words that touch the soul, with melodies that make the world come alive.
It sort of feels like it took the whole band from the song one that we generated and just switch the vibe, switch the style of the song. Pretty good. And it sounds a little robotic, but again, you can tweak that using negative prompts. I haven't put down any, but yeah, if you put down a good negative prompt, the quality will be way better. Okay, same drill in the extend. Let's go for extend mode. I will remove and upload this one. Build to chorus. I'll just paste what I have. The one joyful. Let's keep joyful. Let's hit extend.
I'll write a song with words that touch the soul, with melodies that make the world come alive. I'll paint a picture with colors bold and bright, with brushstrokes that bring the world.
Pretty cool. So now it feels like we're inside a countryside bar and in a traditional cowboy bar, and the ukulele is playing along with these lyrics. Pretty good. Okay, so let's move forward with edit. It has two modes, repaint and flow edit. Repaint rewrites a specific segment of the song. Flow edit morphs the segment with the same lyrics in a different style. It's highly experimental and it's not very stable. So we will try it. First I will try repaint again. I'll upload the song. Let me just paste the same extended lyrics. Repaint a segment. So what I will do is just let me remove this. The first line, the line at the end of the song, just replace this with the second line. Let's see how it does that. Okay, apply edit. All right.
With melodies, with maze that make the world come alive.
I should have reduced the duration, but yeah, let's listen to the end of the song.
I'm going to pick rain. I'll write a song with words that touch the soul.
And let's start with
Melodies, the maze that make.
it's really close, and the parameters are even the same. So if I hit advanced, it takes a negative prompt. We can write the same negative prompt and we will get really good results. Now let's look into flow edit mode. I'll just keep everything same, the source lyrics and the target lyrics, and just hit generate and let's see what it does. Let's hear it.
With melodies, with melodies that make the world come alive.
So this totally changes the tone and the rhythm of the song. It's highly experimental, so we cannot predict how it will behave. But yeah, it's worth a try. We are done with the whole demo of the Ace Music Studio. Just one last thing remaining, which is LoRa adapter. I will show that real quick. I'll just clean everything up. I will just use this, just Psytrance and nothing else. I will keep it instrumental. I will hit generate. Now I will show you from where you can download all the LoRa's that I've been talking about, all the adapters that you can plug into these apps. Just visit civitai.com and just choose models, go to filters. Right now selected Ace Audio, and these are the models that satisfy the filter Ace Audio, but remember we are using Ace Step 1.5 XL SFT. So we need a LoRa that's compatible with that, or basically that's trained on that. Let's try to open this and let's see what the description says. Yeah, Cytrans LoRa XL SFT SFT. Yeah, A step checkpoint is one more XL SFT. So yeah, this is a pretty good clue that this is compatible with our studio. So I'll just download this. Once it's downloaded, expand the LoRa pane. We have some pre-built LoRa that the A step provides out of the box, which is one is Chinese Rap and one is Chinese New Year. I just included it for the sake of it because not everyone wants to upload their own LoRa, but they do want to try out what this does. I will just upload the LoRa that I downloaded, which should, as per the description, create good psytrance music. Alright, it's uploaded. I will keep the strength default and hit generate again. Okay, let's hear it now. This is way better than what we generated. Alright, thank you everyone for joining me on this demo, and I will keep bringing such cool projects for you for free so that we can keep democratizing the LLM usage. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.